guys, so this is our first Goose Creek order. So it comes really well packaged, and not like Bath and Body Works where it's like all plastic bubbled. Nothing is gonna spill around and shouldn't get too broken. We got a couple candles. And when I say this box, like I know I got the cookie one. This box, when I first opened it, smells amazing. They have a bunch of deals going on right now in the Goose Creek app for $3.99. These are 9.1 ounce hand soaps. They're pretty wide. Hold on. Okay, so Bath and Body Works hand soaps are 8.75 ounces. Goose Creeks are 9.1, so they're a little bigger, a little bit cheaper. I don't know how much they are at whole price, but they're not, they might be a little more, I don't know. But this is our first order. Super excited. This box definitely smells amazing. And this large hand sanitizer was $1.99, and I was not expecting this big at all. But yeah, so I just kind of wanted to unbox on here with my first Goose Creek order. It smells freaking amazing, you guys. Smells amazing. A lot of good stuff in here. Bye, guys.